Within our teaching for the program, for our CMPA Māori Theatre program, we have two kōnaiako that are specifically to do with research. One is he tangata rongonui, someone that they look up to. But the first project that they do is a project called What's in a Name. And so they have to research what their name means and find out the original meanings of those names. So, for example, William is from the Germanic language, which means vil, resolve, and helm, helmet. So William means helmet of resolution. And so our students will go through that Rangahau. They find out what their names mean in the original language. They find out why they were named that way. And then when they bring those and they present it to us, and then we take that story and we turn it into a production. So last year we did our first major production of it and just called it What's in a Name. So it's about empowering. So for me, that's about them unweaving themselves. And for a lot of them, they get an understanding of who they are, and it engages them into pepeha and whakapapa for some. For the Pacifica students that we've had, it re-engages them with their cultural practices. So tikanga has been very important for empowering those that aren't Māori, that are Pacific Island.